Hey guys, welcome back. This is Sean with Griffin RC Planes. I'm going to start a weekly episode of what's Sean up to with RC this week, on top of my how-to videos. So what I got going on new and exciting for me this time is I've picked up a older UMX Pitts biplane, and you know they come with as3x. I'm going to try to figure out a way to put safe select on it using the receiver and stuff that comes with it. You know, they have a programmer app or software or something that's actually so old I had to borrow a computer that had Windows 7 on it so that I could download it and try to, you know, see what's going on and how to use it and so forth. So hang tight, let me show you this Pitts, huh? All right, look at this thing. Boy, it's clean. It's missing the landing gear and the little red nose spinner. Basically, just a little styrofoam button has come off of the propeller, but I have it to put back on, and you know, they're not hard to come by. So far, I can't seem to locate any landing gear, but I've only been looking for a few days. Now, it'll pop up somewhere, RC groups, eBay, Facebook, or something. Or I'll just figure out how to make them, and once I come up with a recipe to make them and have them functional, I'll make sure I tell all of you. Here's this little button that goes on the propeller. That's no big deal right there. But it comes with the receiver's the AS6410NBL, and it's a 6-channel receiver with telemetry, and it has AS3x. But Safe Select wasn't invented back then, or you know, maybe it was, but it wasn't available. The first AR636 receivers, they didn't have a letter associated with them, and then they started to have a letter A. Those did not have Safe Select either. But when Safe Select came out to be available for everyone, they changed the AR636 to letter B, and then they made it to where you could download and update your first ones, the A and the one with no letter, and give it Safe Select. So I bet I can add Safe Select to this, since the receiver is still, you know, bought and sold and in some planes today. But I got the program cable, which I'm going to show you guys, and I've got the directions on how to download this software and try to get started. So I'm going to play around with that, and I'll make sure I report back to you guys what I figure out. Here, look at this program cable, and here's a quick look at the Pitts. I got it bound up. It's just really neat, and it's got 4 channels. You see how both ailerons there? Look at this. Plus the elevator, and I need a third hand. Yeah, we got that. And the rudder. That is really neat. I'm going to come up with some landing gear. It won't be too hard up. I got this little set here. I don't know where it came from or what it was to. It might be to a paper airplane or something. Who knows? But I'm going to figure something out. Alright, let's look at this program cable and stuff. Alright, on the right here is this program cable. They call it a USB interface AS64. Alright guys, until I get that zoom figured out with that other camera, here's a close-up. Well, figuring it out means a better camera. But this program cable for the UMX is man, look at that. AS6410NBL is the receiver that is inside the UMXs. And the part number for this program cable is SPMA3060. And I have downloaded the I guess you'd call it the programmer from Spektrum, and I just haven't hooked it up yet. All right, back to the video. Alright, so here's the USB program cable and the as3x directions that I just downloaded off of Spektrum's website or something. The program cable is the USB interface AS6410NBL. Sorry, that couldn't focus there. And it's got a part number of SPMA3060. And it kind of resembles the AR636 USB program cable, but the end is different. And I thought that the 636 program cable would work, and it won't. Here's my 636 cable. So it's got a program cable that looks the same, but it has a servo connector on one side of it. However, it came with a adapter right here in this bag, and I said, all right, I got it. But then I read this bag here, and it says for use with the AR6335, which is the micro 6-channel safe receiver that is the exact same as the AR636, but it just takes the micro servo leads, so it'll save some weight, and plus you can use the smaller servos. So that won't work. I had to get this other one here, and like I said, I had to borrow a computer that had Windows 7 on it just to be able to use it. So I'll try to figure something out, and I'll report back. Hey, everybody have a fantastic week. And I would really appreciate it if you guys would like and subscribe and share. All right, over and out. See you on the next one.